Hello guys, so we're gonna be making a video how to make coffee. We have a coffee maker. Let me show you. That's our coffee maker. Where am I? So he's putting the cup right there. And what's going on? This is the old one. I feel like a little bit. He's putting the new one. He's crushing it now. Like
now I'm just gonna wait.
He presses it.
Now it's loading and then it'll just start dropping.
Yeah, it'll start dropping.
Look,
watch this, guys. So there's, you see under here, it should be like dropping, like the coffee thingy. Any minute now. We'll be back. 12 minutes later. Guys, it was 12 minutes already. Oh, what's taking long? Oh wait, this is coming out. My brother's over there playing with our little cousin. It's a girl. Let me show you. I see no. I think it's coming. What's taking forever? We already put a cup there. Right here. It's like black, so it's like kind of blended into it. Josh! 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 Josh, the thing will come out. The thing will come out. Josh, the thing will come out. Look, the thing will come out. The thing will come out.
Wait, let me see what's wrong. And you see this? Look at it. You see this? I was like blinking right here. Press that. And you see it's gonna pouring. It's gonna stop pouring.
Okay.
So I'll take the sugar.
So we will be right back. Guys, it's pouring. I don't know if you can see that, but
Yes, there's milk.
so nasty. We have milk?
It tastes good. It smells nasty, but it tastes good.
Yeah, once we put the milk and the sugar. We're savage. We put like a bunch of sugars.
We're sweet.
It's like pouring.
No, you know what?
Oh, there we go. Now you can see it, guys. You put it.
No.
It's almost done. I think it stopped. It stopped.
It's done now.
Yeah, so we're gonna put. We have the stuff right here. The milk.
Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. It's cold. Put that over me.
There's so more in there.
No, it's just like water and stuff. Then make it.
We're gonna put it here.
No. When you look at it, this is cool. You know why? Look what it says. In Spanish, it says I need water. That's why it's cool, right? That's cool. It says water.
No, it doesn't. I think it does.
Then why does it say? Then why is there a water drop? And it says stage hydrated.
So it doesn't.
You have to fill up to the line. Yeah.
So we'll be right back. Guys, we're back. And we'll be right back.
I'll be back.
Okay, we're bringing the coffee.
Okay, guys, I have the coffee here.
It's like kind of like burn time because
As you can see, whoops, I covered the lens. As you can see, there's coffee. Can you guys see in there? There's coffee in the cup. There's coffee
we're gonna pour some milk.
and some sugar.
No, first we'll pour the milk. We gotta like not mix it. Okay. I'll show you when it's like brown. We'll be right back. Look, guys, it's all the way at the top. Guys, watch this. This is the cool thing.
Yeah, but I want to gold straw this time. You get silver.
Yeah, because last time I got
Gold, and I get
Look, that's cool, guys. Okay, get.
So it goes for you, so for me.
Guys, watch this. That's cool.
So
Okay,
we're gonna
guys.
start making the coffee. So what we need is a spoon. If I can find it. Who needs a spoon? I can just use this.
Wait, are you sure that's not salt?
Sugar.
2 more.
I can't.
Wait,
It's already overflowed.
that's my straw. So I take this one then.
You got me so slowly.
Mm.
Ugh.
That's not coffee yet.
Yeah, we need more sugar.
Where's the thingy?
Cup.
It's still not thing. I'll just do this.
No, yeah, it's gonna overflow again.
It tastes good. What? Oh, now it does.
It's just when you keep on missing it because all the sugar's in the bottom.
But it's not showing.
Okay, guys, that was how to make our coffee video. So hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna do a challenge right now. Eating sugar a lot. So I'm gonna get a spoon. If I can find a spoon.
Wait. No, that's not a spoon.
Wait, who needs a spoon? Who needs a spoon, huh? Who needs a spoon?
Want me to do that part? Now. Savage.
It's good.
We're savage.
That's good. We're just wasting it.
Peace.
Last time I did not drink it. It's just only mixed because it's salt. That's good, right?
This is good. Keep it there for a long time, like cover your mouth. I won. Yeah, because you took it out. He's just no. He just don't want you to. No. I'm gonna do that. That's the end of the video. Comment down below if you have this coffee maker. And wait.